Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about classification of welding process. So welding is basically classified into three types: solid state welding, liquid state, next is solid oblique liquid state. Solid oblique liquid state. Solid oblique liquid state. Okay, so in this solid state, welding pool or fusion zone is not formed. Is not formed, and it is also known as autogenous welding. Very important. Solid state welding is also known as autogenous welding. Autogenous welding. Liquid state is also known as homogeneous welding. And solid or liquid state welding is also known as heterogeneous welding. Okay, as the name suggests, homo means same and hetero means different. Okay, autogenous means in this no requirement of filler material, and this filler material is not required. No requirement of filler material. Whereas in homogeneous, same. Okay, so filler material is same as of base material. Filler material is same as of base or parent metal. Same as of base material. And hetero means different, so filler material is not same as filler material is not same as base material. So I hope you got it about liquid state welding, solid state welding, and solid oblique liquid state welding. Which type of welding is also known as autogenous welding? So that is solid state welding. So I hope you got it. Thank you.